Are you ready to unlock the secrets to abundance and cultivate prosperity in your life? Today, we're peeling back the layers to reveal the Prosperity Code, a set of principles designed to chart your course towards financial freedom and success. The initial key to abundance is gratitude. Recognizing and appreciating what you already possess can pave the way to receive more. Every day, carve out a moment to reflect on the blessings already present in your life, regardless of their size. Moving forward, establishing clear intentions and goals becomes the next crucial step. Picture the life you yearn for and initiate actionable steps to reach it. Whether you choose to create a vision board or keep a journal, ensure your dreams and aspirations are always within sight and mind. Further into this journey, it's essential to envelop yourself with positivity and abundance. Release any limiting beliefs or negative energy that could be anchoring you down. Instead, invite the company of individuals who echo your aspirations and bolster your growth and success. Consider this: the universe is perpetually tuned in. Embrace the law of attraction by radiating positive thoughts and energy out into the world. Have faith in your worthiness of abundance and success, and remain alert as opportunities rise to meet you. As we draw this enlightening session to a close, remember these key takeaways: gratitude, clear intentions, a positive environment, and the power of attraction. These are the cornerstones of the Prosperity Code and your path to abundance. Thank you for lending your time to this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more pearls of wisdom on cultivating prosperity and unlocking the secrets to abundance in your life.